We are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area and are excited to present to you this stunning 1986 Ferrari 412 5-speed manual in handsome Blu Chiaro Metallizzato with Connolly Nuvola interior. We'll tell you all about this after a cold start and taking it through the gears. This car is live on Bring a Trailer. It was specified by a California Ferrari collector directly at Maranello. It was completed on March 19, 1986, and imported to the US shortly thereafter. A real unicorn, not only is it the rare 5-speed manual, the car is also CARB certified and has easily passed California smog during the current owner's 10-year stewardship. This car has been owned by Ferrari collectors all its life and always been meticulously maintained. Resplendent in that gorgeous Blu Chiaro, it starts beautifully and drives extremely well. A recent service by Ferrari specialist San Rafael European includes an annual service, new tires, and front shocks. It's available on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, visit us at Genau, AutoWerks.com. Thank you.